Hello everyone. In this session of CCNA series, I will do a lab of encrypting older iOS password with service password encryption and hashes. As you know, actually, we already did a lab on configuring device control access for by using simple password and by using local username and password and then by using SSH. These methods are great to restrict access to the node, but if you look at the configuration, for example, uh, it creates security exposure because it stores the password in plain text. If you see here, the password is stored in plain text. If anybody has access to the device, he will know the password. Now, these clear text password might be seen in printed version of the configuration file or in a backup copy of the configuration file. So there are three different methods to encrypt your password. One is encrypting the older iOS password with service password encryption, encoding the enable password with hashes, and encoding the password for local usernames. So if you see here, even the local username, the password is in clear text. Also, for example, under the line via console, the password is in local, clear text. So what we will do is we will enable one command called service password encryption, which is used in Cisco IOS to provide basic encryption for passwords stored in router or switch configuration file. Actually, this feature helps protect sensitive information from being easily readable, like currently it is showing in plain text, thus enhancing the security of the network device. So let's go ahead and enable service password encryption. So what this will do is this will save your password in encrypted format. So similarly, if you see the username and password, that is also changed after putting this command. Then again the console password as well has been changed. So by using service password encryption, now this encryption process now hides the original clear text. iOS adds the encryption or encoding type of 7. Although the service password encryption global command encrypts the password, but if you type in no service password encryption, it will not uh, decrypt it. It will remain same. For example, if I do showing running config, again the password will be in the encrypted format. But unfortunately, the service password encryption command does not offer strong protection for password. So it can easily decrypt by using some tools available on internet because it's very old one. Uh, in Cisco IIS, you can also secure, for example, enable password or username by using hashing algorithm rather than simple encryption. This is done by using enable secret command. What it does is it stores the password as an MD5 hash. MD5 is computationally difficult to compute than the original clear text password. And to do that, for example, if I want to change the enable password, okay, normally we use enable password, right? So if you want to increase the privilege level, security level, you can type in enable secret and then you can type any password, for example. Then I think it should, okay, we can change it to like Cisco 123. Then what we will do is, now let's see what it shows in the show running config. If you see here, the enable secret now is this one. Obviously, when you have two password, one is using secret, one is using password, then definitely you should prefer this. So let me go ahead and remove enable password. Okay, so similarly, you can also configure uh, username and password as well. Username Cisco admin, sorry, username admin, and then password. Instead of password, you can type in MD5 by using secret. Okay, by default it will take MD5, and I will type in Cisco 123 or 1234, or it's not accepting this. Cannot have both user password. Okay, so you have to create a new user or you have to delete the user. So let me delete the user and then add this one. So right now this also should show it as MD5. Got it? So this is how you encode the passwords for enable, local username, and all. There is another option I think we can do, username admin and then secret. So you have more options actually. In the actually, if you log in into the actual router, you will have more options. In packet tracer this option is limited. I'll show you one day. At the end of this course I will add another video which will, where I will log in into the actual device and show you, like we can have more type of like encryption, such as type uh, 9. Like for example, it will allow, enable algorithm type SHA 2256, and another one, and an algorithm type script, which is more difficult to crack. So I guess that's it for this session. I hope this was informative for you. Thank you for watching.